The true definition of keeping it moving, there it is. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. In this episode, we're back on the MK7.5 VW Golf R, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see that in the shot, I've tried to fit it in. The front bumper on the car was sprayed overnight, off camera, so we're just going to blitz through this episode, and then hopefully by the end of this episode, this car is going to be finished. On the top of the car right there, I've got a ton of badges, ton of grills, just some additional bits and inserts for this bumper skin that we bought from TPS, so that's where we're going to be starting. And then we're going to continue the reassembly of the front end, and hopefully we're going to get the car completely finished. The bonnet is over in the back as well, we sprayed that, so you're going to be seeing everything. So if you want to see the final assembly on this car, make sure you watch the video to the end. Before we start, I just want to let you know I've just launched the Keep It Moving line, KIM, Keep It Moving. That's my slogan, I've been saying it for a year, so I've put it on a beanie, put it on some t-shirts, and put it on some jumpers as well. So if you want to grab one and support the team and support us here at Salvage Nation, head on over to shopsalvagenation.com and purchase some merch. But anyway, let's continue, get this VW Golf out of here, man, because when this one goes, I've got a new build that's coming in. The newly painted front bumper. Apologies, you guys didn't get this in the paint job, but like I said, this is the second time around and I want this car out. So we're just blitzing through everything. I've got this little protective, it's like a foam insert that goes behind the bumper, that's gonna sit kind of like there. And then we're going to be assembling the bumper. I need to put the parking sensors in, some more tubing and some more wires. Went ahead and I buckled down everything on the front, as you saw in the last episode. Everything on here is all buckled down. The front of the car is basically done in terms of the rebuild and the reassembly process. It's just the bonnet and the bumper and some more grills. I've got the top grill in the back. I've got some other emblems and stuff to put on. Everything came brand new from TPS, so I'm looking forward to getting the front end on the car fully assembled, getting the car out, getting it cleaned, and then I'm going to show you some slow-mo shots of everything. And trust me, this car is going to look amazing, just like it did back in December when we rebuilt it the first time. So no more talking. Actually, before I go, off camera, we had a little issue where we ran the car and the fans weren't working. But if you follow me on Insta, you would see there was an airlock, so I had to just build up the temperature, bleed the system. If you're ever doing any cars like this and you're replacing any parts of the cooler system, make sure you bleed it. Like it's one of the main things that will stop certain things from working if there's got a pocket of air somewhere trapped within the cooling system. But bled the system, waited a bit, and then once all the air was out, the fans kicked in. So my cooling system is fully working, everything is working on the pipe work that we did. I am happy, there's no leaks, I topped it up with water and coolant this time. So, with all of that done, let's continue to get the front end on the car assembled. First drive again, we've been here before. Almost there, guys. We're almost there. I just had to take care of one of the tires because one of the tires is gone. Now I'm gonna give it a little bit of a wash. I need to clear the airbag light. I need to just reset the front, the radar, and this car is gonna be done. I can't believe it. It's been a long time. But anyway, enough talking. Let's get it back to the garage and give it a little bit of a wash. So sick. This car is fully loaded. The digital cockpit, it just looks nice. The dyno audio, trust me, fully loaded. Let's get this car cleaned. tradition of keeping it moving. There it is. I'm gonna pattern this. KIM, keep it moving. For the second time in a few months, the VW Golf R is done. Finito. We still have to cut and polish, and there's a few other little bits and bobs that we're going to be doing, a little touch up here and there. But for the best part of it, I'm happy. The car's done. It looks amazing. It drives amazing. It sounds amazing. And this car's got to find a new home. We're taking offers in it. Make a good offer if you're interested, and we can work something out. Guys, just take a look at this front end. This is so smooth, and it's not even polished yet. Come on. Come on. Let me know what you think of the build part 2. Yet again, it feels like deja vu. We were here just a few months ago. Let me know what you think of the build the second time round. Let me know what you think of the car. It's still unrecorded. We're going to be getting this car off the channel. This is the last time you're going to see this. If it's crashed again, it's not coming back. But yeah, this is where we're going to end this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. And that's all we got to give you on the VW Golf R. Thank you to Akil. You did a good job. Yet again, you know how it goes. Eagles Garage and that. Come on, man, best in the game. And it's not even polished. When are you gonna polish?
Next episode.
Next episode. There's no next episode. There is no next episode on this one. But now that this is gone, we've got a new build coming. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm gonna stop blabbing off. So like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one.